Fine. This is 13th problem, right? The difference between a number and its 3/4 is 35. What is the 1/4 of that number? Here, first we need to find the number and then we need to find 1/4 of that number. Let us check out here. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. And its 3/4 is 35 they have given. So 3/4 of that number. The difference of this, which is going to give us 35, right? That is x minus 3 by 4x is equal to 35. Take a LCM here. So 4x minus 3x is equal to 35, or 4x minus 3x, that is x is equal to 35 into 4, x is equal to 140. Right. So what we need to find? So we need to find 1/4 of it, right? So x is 140, 1/4 of x, that is x is equal to 1 by 4 into 140, which is nothing but 4 ones are 4, 35. 35 is the answer. Option E is the right one.